What is up everyone, this is JoJo the Techie, and today I'm going to try to install a screen protector on the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, but not just a standard screen protector. This is a paper-like screen protector. Not paper-like the brand, but paper-like as in it should feel like paper when you install it. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so let's go ahead and check the instructions here. This company that I got this screen protector from is not sponsored. I've never heard of this company before. The only reason I got this one was because I googled it. I was checking Amazon, and the only brand that had a screen protector for the Lenovo Duet had really bad reviews. So I just did some googling and then found this company called viascreens, which is based out of the UK. So I actually purchased it, and it took forever to get here. Let's see what's in this little pouch here. This is the screen protector. I'm going to set it aside. Alright. Okay, so we got some dust remover pads, alignment tab. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to need that. Alignment. Okay, so these are alignments. This is dust removal, and this is a little squeegee, and because a little towelette to clean the screen, which it is badly in need of. Gets a lot of fingerprints. This is the main reason why I wanted to get a screen protector, because I use it and I touch it and it's always full of fingerprints. Plus, I've been getting more and more into using a stylus. I wanted to see if there was something that will make it feel more like paper, because the screen is, you know, glass, and you know, when you put your pen on it, your stylus, and right now I'm using the Lenovo USI stylus, when you put it on the screen, you know, it's very obviously glass, so it doesn't feel the same. Let's get this nice and clean. It tells you to go to their website to check out videos on how to, it's right here, on how to install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out that video, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished watching the video, so hopefully I'll get this right. So let's make some space here. Okay, so according to the instructions, you're supposed to, oh, this has more than one. I didn't even realize this brought two, which is great, because if I mess one up, I can use the other one as a backup. It is clearly labeled here. This is the surface side, and this is the adhesive side. So this is the surface side, so we're going to go ahead and align this as best as we can, not straight. You're supposed to use the alignment tabs just to basically hold down the screen protector as you maneuver. So I will use these. So for example, let's get this straight again. This is a professional, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down this tab. So there goes one, and there goes two. All right. My next step is going to be to lift this up and get rid of any remaining fingerprints or dust particles before I remove the adhesive side. Take the dust remover tabs, and let's go ahead and remove any little remaining dust particles. I think we got it. Okay, I'm supposed to start removing the adhesive. All right, so here it goes. Okay, this one's turning out well. Just get rid of some of those bubbles. There's one there that I don't think I'm going to be able to get rid of, because it looks like there's a little dust particle I missed, but I'm not gonna stress over it. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so I'm ready to remove the top layer. Oh wow, I can already see this is gonna be, oh, how nice and matte. This looks so good. Wow. Let's remove the tabs. And here we go. Let's do a little bit of writing. Let's see how it feels. Okay. Trying to make up my mind about how that feels. Does it feel like paper? No, not exactly. But it does have a texture that it doesn't feel like glass, I can tell you that much. I do like the matte look on the screen. I hate it when the screen is very shiny, so this actually tames all that brightness a little bit, which is good. And it does not look bad at all, and it feels so nice with the finger. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It feels very nice. Let's see how it goes. If I find any issues with it, I'll report back. But so far I like it. I mean, good job on creating a screen protector for the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It looks like not a lot of companies have made these, so good on you for actually keeping us in mind when you manufacture your screen protectors. I only wish that the shipping didn't take as long, but yeah, I like it. Not sponsored, but definitely recommended. viascreens.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell. You know all the stuff you gotta do. All right, see you in the next one.